How to make an offer your customers cannot refuse. Today, we're going to discuss a very interesting topic, and I'm sure all of you will find it very useful for your business. We're going to talk about the business offer and how you can create an offer your customers will find really hard to refuse. By offer, I mean your unique business proposal that you present to your new customers either verbally, on your website, or maybe through your social advertising. Why is it so important to have a good and clear offer to attract new customers? Well, it's pretty simple. Your potential clients don't know you yet, and they are trying to decide who to deal with based on the offers they have received from other businesses such as yours. Your offer needs to stand out from the rest. A good offer will help you to sell your products and services much easier and with less pressure put on the customer. Our study also shows that some offers can boost business sales by up to 400%. At the end of this video, I will also give you some real examples of the business offers that I personally believe are really hard to refuse. The most common issue that we have come across by dealing with many businesses in Australia is the uncertainty of the offer being presented to their potential customers. And what I also come across on a regular basis is that the majority of the business owners don't have any offers at all. There are literally thousands of different websites out there, and when you visit them, all they talk about is the greatness of their business, the years they've been in business, services they provide, how they started, and so on. But there is nothing about exactly what they can offer to their potential customer, the clear benefits that the client will receive if he or she decides to work with them. We always have to remember three main things when it comes to making an offer. First, is it clear? By clear, I mean if your customer reads or listens to it, is it clear what you're actually offering? Do a test with your friends who are preferably not from your industry. Tell them your offer, ask them if the message and offering is clear enough. Ask for the honest feedback. Second, are there any obvious benefits for the customer if he decides to work with your company versus your competition? How does your offer stand out? The good exercise here will be to open 3 or 4 websites you feel are the closest competitors and check what they offer on their websites. Pretend that you are the customer. What will attract you the most? Compare your offer versus your competition. Third, does your offer pose any risks associated with your customer making a decision to take it on board? And there is always at least one risk that your customer faces when he is accepting your offer, which is spending his money and time, but then not receiving what he was promised. How does your offer address this risk? Now, keeping all these 3 points in mind, let's try to create some offers for our potential clients. I know that every business is different, and obviously you have your own risks to consider as well, but I will try to give you some basic examples just so you can get an idea. Let's say if we have to create an offer for some local painting company. It can be something like this. On average, our quotes are 20% lower compared to the competition. Everything will be discussed upfront and no hidden costs at all. Or another example for some local car wash business. If it rains within 24 hours after we wash your car, come back and you will receive a free external clean from us. Or maybe something for local electrician. Call us today for any electrical work you need done, and you will also receive a 20% discount for any new work required during the next 15 months. This offer is transferable to your family members and friends. One thing to remember though is that you should avoid the cliches. So for example, if it's common in your industry to provide free quotes for your customers and all your competitors are doing it already, then be more original. Come up with an offer that sets you apart from your competitors. It's that simple. I hope these examples mentioned above will give you some useful ideas for your business offers and the video was helpful. If you want to get more examples from us, I will leave a link under this video description where you can download a free PDF file from our website with examples that I've already mentioned and plus more. Please also consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified about new interesting videos that will be coming up shortly. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. Grow your business together with onlineprospects.com.au. My name is Max Shubin. Have a great day.